Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to apply voucher or coupons in TikTok shop. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a TikTok application, which of course I have done right here. Where can you find TikTok? You can find TikTok on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type TikTok and follow through the on-screen prompt to install. After installing successfully, it's going to take you right into the application. We're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account. Follow through any of the processes and sign up. Now, after signing up successfully, it's going to take you into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on TikTok. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to apply voucher or coupons in TikTok shop. For you to do that, it means you have to link your TikTok shop to your TikTok using the TikTok Seller Center. What does that mean? Go ahead and launch your TikTok shop account and link TikTok to TikTok shop. After doing that, come over to TikTok here, and at the bottom corner of your screen, you're going to find the TikTok shop icon. At the bottom corner of the screen, we have the home, friends, inbox, profile. So go ahead and click on TikTok shop. Once you click on TikTok shop, it's going to take you to a window where you can have a wide array of products. Now select the product that you want to buy. Once you click on the product, you're going to see a couple icons at the bottom corner of the screen. And the first thing you're going to find is other. Or you're going to find other as part of the options available. So click on the other icon and follow through with the prompts to place an order for that product. Now, once you follow through with the step-by-step prompts or step-by-step processes, it's going to take you to the final page, which is the checkout page. In the checkout page, you're going to see an option that says apply voucher or coupons. So select any of that and add your coupon number or add your voucher number to redeem. Once you do that, go ahead and proceed to pay. And once you proceed to pay, whatever discount that is added to your coupon or your voucher is going to be applied to your order. Now that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.